Hey guys, and welcome to Smoke Sessions. My name is Rasheed Philips, and I've teamed up with my amazing friends over at Masterbuilt, Kingsford, and the Home Depot to bring you some amazing techniques that will help you master your flavor. Today we're making a nice Mojo roasted chicken. For this Mojo chicken, we're going to actually use the technique of spatchcocking. Now what spatchcocking is, it's actually removing the backbone of your bird and actually laying it flat. And laying it flat allows it to cook evenly. We're going to start with the base layer of salt. Gonna add some of our dried herbs. I personally like my Mojo a little spicier, so I'm adding some crushed red pepper flakes. We're gonna go ahead and prep our fruit to start making our Mojo. Now Mojo is just citrus, really. The more citrus, the better. You can't overdo it. Just have some fun and play around with it. Now that we have everything cut up, we can start squeezing everything over. We're just really gonna rub and massage in all of these flavors. I like a crispy skin, so leaving it in the fridge uncovered is really gonna help dry out the skin and leave that nice crunch and bite through when we're done cooking tomorrow. The amazing thing about the Masterbuilt Gravity series is that you don't only have the ability to grill and smoke, but you can roast. So being able to set your temperature consistently at 350 degrees is gonna be a great help to us. All right guys, my favorite part of the whole cook, the taste test. Let's see how we did. It's moist, it's flavorful. The heat from the red pepper flakes was really coming through. The citrus did what it's supposed to do. Very happy with how this turned out. Make sure you head over to your local Home Depot, grab yourself a bag of Kingsford charcoal and a nice Gravity Series 1050. See you guys next week.